Hi, I'm Jacqueline here at Bordner Home Improvement. I'm here today to answer some frequently asked questions I get when discussing warranties. Part of Bordner's relationship focus and results-driven process is to pair proven craftsmanship with lifetime warranties. However, we understand that warranties can be confusing, and that's why we're here to help. One question we hear a lot is, what is a warranty and what does it cover? There are two types of warranties that you need. A workmanship warranty covers the labor to ensure your installation meets the highest standards. The manufacturer warranty is to ensure that all parts and materials are defect-free. Another common question is, what do I need to know about my warranty registration? Actually, Bordner registers your workmanship warranty for you automatically. Once your contract is signed, you are entitled to everything it offers. We register your Owens Corning roof warranty for you as well, hassle-free. At your pre-project meeting, we'll provide you with instructions for registering your manufacturer warranty for all other trades. Keep this in a safe place in case you ever need to file a claim. You will also need these documents if you should ever want to transfer your warranty with the sale of the home. Want to know what our process is if a warranty claim is needed? Honestly, at Bordner, with our proven craftsmanship and high-quality products, we don't see many warranty claims. But in case you may have had an issue, give us a call and we'll send a service consultant to investigate the root cause of the issue and determine if you need to file a claim. Your consultant will let you know what next steps will be needed once they've examined the problem. For example, with a roofing claim, we may need to collect some shingles to send for testing. People often ask us about the timeframes for a claim. Each claim is different and we give every account the special attention it deserves. If you have any questions throughout the process, contact our team at Bordner and we can guarantee a response within 1 business day. Here's an example of a customer claim we've just completed. We recently had a Bordner customer contact us with an issue on her windows we installed over a decade ago. An old window manufacturer went out of business after we installed her windows. We got involved on her behalf and her claim honored. In another instance, an issue came up with some James Hardie siding we installed 17 years ago. We contacted James Hardie and were able to replace the siding under the warranty as well. I hope I was able to provide some clarity and answer any questions you may have had. If you need to contact us, you'll find our link to the website and all of our contact information in the description. Thank you for choosing Bordner Home Improvement.